What is up, boys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do part 2 of the Weta 5000B. Now, if you guys remember in part 1, this is the knockoff of a Sata 5000 RP, and yes, I did purchase this from Alibaba for $50. Now we're gonna go ahead and start a new project. Basically, I have a buddy that wanted to have his mirror cover painted, and currently it is black, so he wanted it to match his truck. So he went ahead and purchased the Duplicolor Perfect Match. This is a GM white color, and for clear coat we're gonna go ahead and use the new Evo Premium Clear Coat. This is probably one of my favorite clear coats at the moment. But we're basically going to do a spray test to see how well the Weta actually sprays, and to see if it compares to its overall quality. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head to the shop. Alrighty boys, and we are back. So how well did the Weta 5000B actually do? Well, behind here we have our results for the mirror covers, and let's take a quick look at these. As you can see, it did a fairly nice job. I will say that there are some drawbacks with the Weta 5000. And one of the major drawbacks with the Weta 5000 was that the fan size was very, very small. And what I mean by that is the actual pattern that it was able to spray out. Because it's a low volume, medium pressure spray gun, I don't feel that it had enough airflow to be able to spread out that fan to really get a good, decent sized fan. It could be just the way it's designed. I'm not sure if the Sata RPs are the same way, that they have a very small fan. The biggest I can get the fan was about 6 inches. That was about it. I couldn't get it any bigger than that. I will say that the fluid control and the air pressure settings were a little hard to adjust. Very, very touchy. And but overall, it actually did fairly well, and it cleaned very, very easily. So with all that being said, would I recommend the Weta 5000? I would say yes, only because I think this would be well suited for somebody that is looking for a gun that's not going to use so much air like some of the other, a bigger spray guns, like the more professional spray guns. And also, somebody with like a smaller air compressor that just doesn't have the volume of air that a big spray gun would need. I would say that this would be okay. Now, like I said, there is that drawback with the Weta with a small fan. And it is a full-size spray gun. I just feel that perhaps the RP is just it's not able to really give you the fan size that you're looking for. Overall, I would say it's closer to a minigun than it is a full-size spray gun, being that the fan is just that small. And I was spraying, because I know a lot of you guys asked me about pressures and stuff. I had this at about 18-20 psi. It didn't like going any higher than that. And I tried going lower, trying to go down to like 14. It didn't seem to like that either. And even though in the owner's manual for the Weta, it says that the max PSI should be 14 PSI. So for me, it liked a little bit higher pressure, right around 18 to 20. But other than that, I mean, it was a fairly good spray gun. I can't knock it. It's pretty good quality. And like I said, the only drawback was the fan size. And with that, I will say that yeah, it's a thumbs up for me. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the spray gun review for the Weta 5000. Thank you guys so much for being patient on this one. I know I took forever, and I had a car stuck in my garage and I really couldn't get it out, and therefore I couldn't paint. And but I appreciate you guys being patient and waiting for that video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe, or if you have any recommendations for the next spray gun review, please go ahead and comment down below. All right, I'm just a mechanic. Stay spraying, guys. See ya.